Yeah, this video is how to change a cabin filter on a 2018 Ford F550. In the procedure, release the pocket, press the knob at the side and slide the pocket down. Push this knob to slide up the second pocket, and behind this compartment there's two 8mm bolts. You got to snap these out. When you snap it out, there's two 8mm bolts. Yeah. The 8mm socket, pull them out. Screw them out. And pull the whole thing out. This piece here, I'm going to remove it. The cabin filter is located behind the glove compartment. In order to remove the cabin filter, put your finger on the back here. There's a little knob. Snap that. On the next side, same thing. Then you pull forward. Take the cab, these two knobs go in right here, and then you snap it back up. Take the filter out. Please be reminded that the harrow need to point down when replacing the new one. So remember, this arrow here need to point down. And as you can see, this one is in a mess. You imagine you breathing this every day in your nostril. So it's very important to change your cabin filter, especially when you have children in the vehicle. It's the new one from Ford. And remember, we talk about the arrow. This arrow, point it down. We slide the new one in. Slide it all the way down. Then you snap back this in. You put it right here in the groove. Do a little groove right there. Push it up. Snap it in just like that.